Well, good morning, folks. It's Hugh from Asgard Studios. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm down at St. Lawrence Park on the St. Lawrence River. It's one of my favorite spots to fly. There's little islands out there. So anyway, that's where we're going to be flying today. Let's send it. Right, so we just had a good flight. You're going to notice some video footage that looks like it's filmed just with a regular GPS drone with the RC controller. In fact, it wasn't. I just used the FPV controller, and I don't loosen up the left stick, so it doesn't fly like a real FPV drone, and I didn't put it into full manual. I just keep it in either normal or sport mode. Anyway, I find that's nicer than using the camera and the RC controller, because then, you know, you got to squint in daylight and it's harder to see your screen. And anyway, this way you get the best of both worlds. And I love flying with goggles. I mean, I can't fly any other way now that I've had them. So anyway, enjoy the video. We'll see you soon.
When I think about you, I think about love. Darling, I don't live without you and your love. If I had those golden dreams of my yesterday, if I think about you, I think about love. Darling, if I live without you, I live without love. And if I had the sun and moon, and they were shining, love satisfying, feel like making
Mm-hmm.